Howdy YouTube. So, you can't see it, but I'm standing right next to a big cardboard box that was shipped here from Home Depot with the freezer we bought. But whatever, that freezer's behind you. Let's do a quick unboxing on what tool is in this box. Let's get to it. So here's the box in question. Got it a few weeks ago. Probably more than a few weeks ago now. But it's a little rough. Tape open. More tape off. You see what it is. It says Stanley. What did I get? Well, it is a 2-pack of the Stanley 2-way adjustable Sawhorses. Here we go. Let's take them out. Got some sirens in the background. Sorry about that. But here we are, out of the box, 2 Sawhorses with the doodads that go with them. We'll rip this cardboard off. I don't see a part number, but they are rated for 800 pounds, and you can see how they're adjustable right there. Oh, there are little tabs you could have disconnected. Whoops. Not important. I need 2 hands for this. Alright, so there they are, all folded out. Normal Sawhorses, right? Well, yeah. Then, the first way they can adjust is width. So, I don't have my tape measure. Let me get a tape measure. They are 28 inches wide. But if you pull right here, need 2 hands. You pull, they widen up. To 45.5 inches. Would have been nice if they widened up to 48 so you can put a whole sheet of plywood on there, but that's okay. The other way they're adjustable is, if you see, there's red handles, 2 on each. When you do this, you want them facing towards each other. And if you pull on those 2 handles, as such, let me find it, there we go, they will raise. So, you can do it for a couple reasons. A, to raise your workspace, and B, to level out your workspace. If you're an inch or 2 off kilter, there you go. I think they're pretty slick. We'll see how they last and how I like them, and I will do a review video on them for you. So, stick around for that. I think that's all for now, so as I end all my videos, stay crazy, have a good one, people.